Today's video shows the installation process of a telescopic drilling bar inside a heavy drilling rig. This telescopic drilling bar is one of the most important components of the drilling machine. During drilling operations, this part rotates continuously and allows the machine to drill deep into the ground. Because of its size, weight, and precision requirements, installing this component is not an easy task. At the beginning of the process, the telescopic drilling bar is prepared on the ground. Since the component is extremely heavy and long, it cannot be installed manually. A strong steel cable and lifting system are used to slowly raise the drilling bar into the air. The operator carefully controls the lifting process, while engineers and technicians stand on the ground to guide the movement. Communication between the operator and the ground team is very important during this stage. They give constant instructions to make sure the drilling bar is aligned properly and moves safely toward the drilling rig structure. Slowly and carefully, the heavy drilling bar is lifted higher and moved toward the center of the rig. Every movement must be controlled because even a small mistake could damage the machine or make the installation more difficult. When the drilling bar reaches the correct height, the operator slowly begins moving it into the drilling rig. However, the installation does not go smoothly at first. The engineers quickly notice that the drilling bar cannot fit properly into its installation position. The alignment is slightly incorrect, and the part refuses to slide into the rig as expected. For a moment, the team stops the process to analyze the problem. The Chinese engineers and technicians carefully observe the situation and discuss possible solutions. In heavy machinery work, problems like this are very common, and solving them requires experience and teamwork. After a short discussion, they decide to try a different approach. Instead of forcing the drilling bar into position, they carefully adjust the angle of the rig. The operator slowly rotates the rig slightly to the left and then to the right, while at the same time lowering the telescopic drilling bar very slowly. This precise movement allows the drilling bar to gradually find the correct alignment inside the rig. Little by little, the part begins to slide into its proper position. The engineers continue giving careful instructions while the operator maintains slow and steady control of the lifting system. Finally, after several careful adjustments, the telescopic drilling bar successfully fits into the drilling rig. This moment shows how teamwork, engineering knowledge, and patience can solve complex mechanical challenges in heavy machinery operations. Even though the process looked difficult at first, the team worked together and completed the installation successfully. Heavy equipment work like this requires precision, communication, and experienced professionals working together in the field. And this is how a telescopic drilling bar is installed inside a heavy drilling rig.